Hey crafters and makers, ever dive headfirst into a new craft, buy all the supplies, and then realize, meh, it's not for you? Or maybe you've got a stash of extra materials just sitting there waiting to be used. You'll get to it. You'll get to it, you promise. Yet little did you know there's another maker out there searching for exactly what you have. But where do you sell it? You could donate it to the nearest thrift store, but let's be real, they don't even know what they're looking at. In your high-quality sublimation blanks, probably tossed in with random coffee mugs. That premier acrylic for laser cutting, someone's using it as a cutting board. That's where Craft Stash Market comes in. It's the online marketplace for gently used supplies, by makers, for makers. Here, you can destash, relove, and reimagine craft materials so they get a second life with someone who actually knows their value. Plus, let's talk about starting a new craft. It can be expensive. You're just testing the waters, but before you know it, you've dropped a small fortune on materials. With Craft Stash Market, you can shop affordable, pre-loved supplies without breaking the bank, so you can explore your creativity without regret. So go ahead and get started.